Hey guys, it's been a while, and today I'm going to build a little bit of a train set. So here's some of the track I'll be using. There's a Chuckington track pack I'll be using in this layout. And now we magically teleported to where my new profile picture is. Which of those guys that, if you don't know, that one right there, Figment, Missile, Jackson Storm, Sonic the Hedgehog, Thomas the Tank Engine, and the Hulkbuster armor for Iron Man. And now, let's unbox this thing. Let's just take this latch off. Unlatch that. And then kapow! Train sets back. We'll carefully put these track pieces out. And next time you see these, they will be all out on the ground. Okay, now time to get building here. I'll be building a wooden railway layout. Wrong way. Plus, it's hard working down through the camera. Put that to the side. Put that track there. This curve here. Need some more layout ideas. Can't make videos too long for YouTube because the attention spams they do, which is annoying and blah 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 blah. Sorry. And there we go. If you don't know what that is, that's Preston the Calliope episode going on in the background. It's proof. If you heard it. That's this. I'll have to pull the camera down to get these things mostly into work. Okay, finally got done the layout, track layout. There's the Timid Sheds. Map cleared out the way. Tour. I'll put an engine on here. Gordon. I'll find this tender. And let's move some stuff out of the way. Oh, okay, got it. Let's start Gordon up, shall we? I'm going to cover it. No, not that way. Just set up points here. Put the tank on the track. There goes Gordon. I'm going across to the sheds. Around the bend here. And a bit up across country. And coming on here. The wires, that's my charger I'm hooked up to. Gotten through here. Listen here. Again, going through here. If I can catch Gordon here, yes, there he goes. I saved him at the sheds. Okay. Thomas, if you please. Let's see how Gordon goes pulling the express. So Thomas, I'm gonna run off until we're fighting. way. Express coming through. Oh, wrong way. The branch line going, not the main line. Going right there. Have to be on the top here. If I can turn it around. Oh, whatever, now. Cover this thing. This thing. And there goes Gordon. And across the Timoth sheds. Across here. Express coming through. Here to the branch line. Come on here on Thomas. Pick up some coal. Here. And blah blah blah. Golden has finished his passenger run. Yeah, he's in pieces. Okay, got some low and load on the railway. Golden's gonna chop away now. We're gonna pull it back into the siding. Okay, that looks like about it. But I want to show you one more thing. Remember these two engines? I showed these in my two. I showed these two in the previous video, and I was filming my brother. And don't listen to any of the words he said. Don't send them money, cause he'll just want to be rich. He has to become rich on his own. Blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'll make another battery operated engine in the future. I'll probably get Thomas or Gordon or whatever. For the time being, these are the only two I have. So, I'll see you next time. In Son of Clinton, out. And also, there might be a name change. So we just off the trucks. Okay, bye.